Look what I found in the water, guys. A cell phone. Looks like an LG. Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric. I'm here today with my friend Jason over there. Wanna say hello, buddy? What's up?
Hi everybody.
My YouTube friend right there. We are at the Chassahowitza River Campground. I'm gonna put the spelling below because it's a mouthful. Thank you so much, my friend.
You gonna be with me for a few days?
Just till tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway, have a great time.
Thanks, partner. Appreciate it.
Come on, dog.
So yeah, this river campground connects into a river called Homosassa. Is this a Homosassa River? Is the name of it? Homosassa River. It's a Seven Sisters River, whatever. Springs.
Yeah, it's like Homosassa Springs.
That's what it is. Homosassa Springs, and the river connects into the Gulf. So the plan is he's got his kayak. I'm gonna mine for a little boat. We're gonna jump into the river. I'm gonna go towards the Gulf. There's a bunch of little islands in there, and I'm planning to settle into one of them, show you guys around. But as of right now, I'm gonna go get my camping site right here set up and show you guys what it looks like. Let's get to it. All right, everybody. So we got the campsite almost settled down. It's looking nice. And my plan right now is I want to see if I can shoot the drone up towards there and get some aerial shots. I want to see if I can capture the campground and the river and when it reaches the Gulf. So let me take out the drone out.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
All right, so currently I'm in the entrance of the river and the boat ramp. Here's a store. Here's a parking space of it. And yeah, I'm ready. Let's head out to the water. I gotta meet my friend Jason. He already set out ahead with his kayak, so I'm gonna catch up to him. All right, the motor's warming up. This baby takes a little while to warm up. It's a big one, so it'll take a little bit. It's beautiful water. It's actually mostly clear. I mean, I don't think the camera can capture it, but it's overcast. But it's actually clear because I think over there is something called the Seven Sisters Springs, I think it's called. But I'm not gonna head over there. I'm gonna head that way. I'm gonna follow the big body of water until I reach the Gulf. All right, I'm moving. Let's see if I can find my friend. Let's head to the Gulf. The waters are a little shallow in this area, so I gotta take it easy. See, it's quite shallow for now, but I should be okay for the most part. All right. I remember checking the maps, and I believe it stated that from the boat ramp towards the Gulf is about 4 miles, I think. So I should be there maybe 30 minutes at my current speed. If the water gets a little less shallow, I should be able to get into plane and go a little faster. All right, onwards. Looks like this is my speed. The water's still shallow, but it's all right. It's beautiful out here. Very pretty. Anyway, on my way to the Gulf, and hopefully I get to catch those little islands. I had to put the motor on shallow drive because I was hitting some stuff at the bottom. I hit something hard, went clunk. I thought I broke it, but no, everything is fine. Anyway, I think I caught up with my friend Jason. He's over there. There he is. Let me go to him. He's saying hi. All right. I am a bit tangled with this crazy looking moss thing. All right, let's see how I do this. I'll get out. And the reason why I wasn't moving, motor's all tangled. I got to untangle that. So this is what I had to do. I had to get out of the boat and untangle the motor. And I'll be honest, I'm gonna try my best to make it to the Gulf, but I got a feeling I may not be able to because these waters are too shallow. I'm still gonna try. So here we go. Let's get to it. Okay, I believe I am back in motion. A little slow. I gotta stay away from the corners. It gets too shallow there. I gotta remain in the main body of water. All right, let's see if I make it. I am sad. Looks like I will not be able to make it to the Gulf. It's too shallow. I cannot make it. My motor right now, I'm trying to go upstream. It's barely moving. So that is disappointing. So it looks like this river is mainly for canoes and kayaks. They didn't know. Learn something new. And maybe that, or if it's just, I don't know, low tide, but it's a river. So nonetheless, I'm heading back before I make it worse for myself. And at least I'll be able to show you guys the sunset with the drone. That's always fun. And anyway, heading back. My propeller just hit this rock. So now I'm out of the water, walking it. Walking the boat. Oh my God. This isn't any boating. Yep, this may have been a bad idea. Look what I found in the water, guys. A cell phone. Looks like an LG. Yeah, that's an LG. Oh, it's probably ruined already. I'm still gonna take it. Cool. On a cell phone. I made it back. I was able to untangle the motor, get it started, jump on the boat from the front. Yeah, that was entertaining, but at least I found a cell phone. I'm heading back. This is no place for a boat. Hey, check it out. Going back, I noticed there's a primitive campsite here in the river. That is pretty neat. Seems to be a sign in there. That is cool. Primitive camping right by the river, huh? That ain't too bad. I wasn't able to show you guys the, wait, a little dirty, the Gulf, but I think there's a spring here called Seven Sisters Springs. I can at the very least show you that to you guys. Oh, there, I think that's it. There it is. That's the spring. There you go. I can at least show you this, guys. Alright, so I'm back at the campsite, and although I didn't get to go to the Gulf, at the very least I should be able to catch the sunset. Should be up in a few hours. My friend is still in the water. He's not back at the campsite yet. Couldn't find him here. And but they do have showers here, so I'm gonna go take a shower, wait for my friend, wait for nightfall, catch the sunset, show you guys the campsite at night. It should be pretty lit up because I got a tiki torch. I got little candles to keep the bugs away. So we got the bonfire. It should be nice and lit up, even though this place is dark at night. It should be nice and lit up. So that's coming up next. Stay tuned. So here are the showers, air conditioned too. It's nice. We got 2 showers here. A naked person? No. All right, let's do this. All right, so right now I'm waiting. I'm ready for my friend to arrive. I got my my tablet set up. I got a few movies I downloaded. I'm gonna watch Monty Python's Life of Brian, so I'm gonna watch that. Started with that. Yep. All right. All right. Sunset is at 5:44. Right now it's 5:30. Thanks to daylight savings, the sunset comes really early, and I'm gonna start getting ready. Shoot the drone in the air. Show you guys the sunset. Should be beautiful.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
Okay, so there was barely a sunset. It's overcast. The day is overcast. I mean, I cannot say it's a complete failure, the camping, because I'm enjoying myself. I mean, we just got the campsite set up. It's looking beautiful. My friend Jason's about to cook something. I think we got some goodies. You know, a little tequila in there. Woohoo! Everything is settled. We're keeping the bugs away, obviously, with these. Get the fire going. All right, so here's a camping site at nighttime. It is looking nice. Woo. You can barely see Jason.
New York minute.
Excuse me. This is good. You're looking really nice. Beautiful fire. We got a little rodent problem. There's a raccoon riding the tree right there. Look at him. He's just chilling. That is pretty cool.